It's good to have you back. Today we continue with our bat series. Want to look at a very significant bat. You'll find it sometimes silent by the waters, yet it's full of secrets. So this bird is called the Hamerkop. It's a medium-sized bird found across Uganda's wetlands, rivers, lake edges. Its name means hammerhead, inspired by the unique shape of its head and crest. It's famous for its massiveness, which times are larger than a person. It builds complex structures using sticks, mud, and grass. And this has earned it the name of being the most luxurious bird. In many African cultures, the Hamerkop is surrounded by mystery and belief. Some communities see it as spiritual bird because of its abilities and its shape, or its size, or its looks. Its nest is often respected and rarely disturbed, reflecting a deep cultural awareness of nature. There are certain things that we can learn from a Hamerkop. The Hamerkop teaches intentional building. It invests time and effort into creating something strong, secure, and lasting. So like this bird, we are reminded to build wisely, whether in life, faith, or legacy. When it comes to environmental impact, Hamerkops help control aquatic life, like fish, frogs, and insects. Their nesting behavior also creates shelter for other small animals. They are part of a delicate wetland balance that supports biodiversity. So it's very important that when you engage in a conversation that is related to conservation and preservation, always remember the Hamerkop and its importance to the ecosystem. So thank you very much. Remember to write something about your experience, maybe watching a Hamerkop in your area. I've seen them, I think, a number of times in Kampala, especially when there are seasonal changes, and many times when I visit the national parks. So they are beauty to gaze at for their uniqueness. So thank you very much. I remember to share something about the Hamerkop in the comment section. Maybe what you call them or your experience. Thank you very much. Have a lovely time.